Gold versus black credit cards. What's really the difference? Is the black card just hype, or is it truly the king of luxury? Stay with me, and I'll help you find the card that actually works for your life in 2025. Credit cards are more than plastic. They're access to rewards, travel, and status. But which one should you really go for? The practical gold card or the exclusive black card? Let's break it down. First, the gold credit card. This one's a smart choice for everyday spenders and frequent travelers. Here's why people love it. Earn high cashback on dining, groceries, and travel. Lower annual fees, usually around $250 to $300. Easy approval for many credit profiles. Great welcome bonuses, flexible rewards that save you money on flights, hotels, and more. The gold card is perfect if you want real value without paying super high fees. Now, the black credit card. This is the top tier, invitation-only card, often called the Centurion card. Here's what it offers: no preset spending limit, 24/7 personal concierge, VIP access to exclusive airport lounges, priority upgrades on flights and hotels, invitations to private events and luxury experiences. But here's the catch. This card can cost over $5,000 per year, plus an initiation fee. It's not available to everyone. You need an invitation and very high annual spending, sometimes over $250,000 a year. Feature gold credit card. Annual fee: $250, $300. Spending power, high limit. Rewards: focus, dining, travel, cashback. Approval: open to many. Concierge service: limited. Feature black credit card. Annual fee: $5,000 plus initiation fee. Spending power: no preset limit. Rewards: focus, luxury travel, VIP experiences. Approval: invitation only. Concierge service, 24/7 personal concierge. Gold is accessible, rewarding, and great for most people. Black is exclusive, expensive, and built for serious high spenders. So which card is right for you? Choose gold if you want strong rewards and manageable fees. Go black if you want the ultimate status and luxury, and you can afford the high price tag. Remember, pick the card that fits your life, not just your social media. Which card would you choose? Gold or black? Comment below and tell me why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart credit card tips.